Are you searching for the best electric hand planer? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric hand planers in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. PATUOPRO Cordless Rechargeable Electric Planer. Excellent motor, meets the need for versatility. The 15,000 RPM motor is designed for fast cutting, and the planer comes with a variety of cutting tools and depth adjustment options, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Single-click depth adjustment knob with easy-to-read scale and settings from 0mm to 2mm allows for precise depth adjustment. Surface widths up to 82mm and depths up to 2mm can be processed in a single pass. You can easily adjust the cutting depth to suit different needs, allowing you to tackle multiple projects with one tool. Portability and flexibility. Its cordless design allows you to get rid of the limitations of power sockets. The 2-blade cutter head features a double-edged carbide insert for improved performance and a smooth finish. High power-to-weight ratio, weighing only 3 kilograms. With advances in lithium-ion battery technology, you can easily move around the job site without worrying about tangled wires or workspace limitations. Comfortable and ergonomic design. Glides effortlessly like water flowing seamlessly. This planer glides easily over the workpiece and is designed with ergonomics in mind to ensure a comfortable hold. Whether you are a professional woodworker or a weekend DIY enthusiast, it provides a satisfying operating experience.